Welcome to Decode Finance, your ultimate guide to mastering personal finance and achieving financial independence. In today's video, we'll dive deep into investment strategies that can help you build wealth and attain financial freedom. So grab your notepad and let's decode the secrets of investing. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we embark on a journey to explore the world of investment strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out on your financial journey, this video is packed with insights that will help you take your finances to the next level. Investing isn't just about picking stocks or chasing the latest market trends. It's about laying the foundation for a secure financial future. By harnessing the power of smart investment strategies, you can build wealth, achieve your financial goals, and ultimately gain the freedom to live life on your own terms. So, let's kick things off by discussing the cornerstone of successful investing, understanding the different types of investments available to you. From stocks and bonds to real estate and index funds, the options may seem overwhelming at first. But fear not. We're here to break it all down and help you make informed decisions about where to put your hard-earned money. One of the most powerful investment strategies you can employ is dollar cost averaging. This simple yet effective approach involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations. By doing so, you can take advantage of market downturns to buy more shares at lower prices, ultimately smoothing out the highs and lows of the market over time. Of course, no discussion of investment strategies would be complete without addressing the importance of diversification. As the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investment portfolio across different asset classes helps spread risk and minimize the impact of any one investment underperforming. It's like building a sturdy financial fortress that can weather any storm. Now that we've covered some key investment strategies, let's talk about the ultimate goal, achieving financial independence. What does financial independence mean to you? For some, it's the ability to retire early and pursue their passions without financial constraints. For others, it's the peace of mind that comes from knowing they have a secure financial future. Whatever your definition may be, the path to financial independence starts with setting clear goals and implementing sound investment strategies to help you get there. Well, folks, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you found our deep dive into investment strategies both engaging and enlightening. Remember, building wealth and achieving financial independence is a journey, not a destination. So, stay curious, stay disciplined, and above all, stay invested in your financial future. Until next time, take care and happy investing.